Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In this video we will be exploring some advanced Tkinter concepts. For that let's move to our destination folder. So this is our destination folder as you can see. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. So the folder is opening and it has opened. Now let's open today's file which is day 28 advanced widgets. For that let's import Tkinter and another Tkinter is TTK. So TTK is use the Treeview widget as you can see. After that, creating a simple Tkinter window, adding a title to it, creating a Treeview widget. So normal Treeview widget is simply just to add columns in Tkinter window. Means in short we will be trying to create a table in Tkinter window. So let's define some columns of that table. So tree of columns equal to name and age. So this time we will only keep two columns. First is name and second is age. And the definition or meaning of every line is written above for your understanding. So the next part is configure column properties. So the column properties are #0 means width 0. So initially we have to give the first index and I have gave it name as 0 as you can see. After that the next is column name and anchor is equal to tk.w. The reason I use that because I want to set the anchor for name column to west. And after that I have simply copy pasted the line and just replace the name so that the age will be to the right side of the name. So this was the creation of columns. Now I want to add headings that will be appearing in Tkinter window. So first heading is 0, second is name, third is age. The text is blank here. The text is name and the text is age as you can see. And anchor equal to tk.w that we have already explored above. So this is a simple definition and along with the explanation I have written here for you all guys. After that the last is inserting some data into that Treeview. Treeview is simply the table. So the first data will be blank as you can see. After that 0, text is equal to item 1 and values are John Doe and 25. So this will be the two values that will get inserted in the table. After that the 1 text equal to item 2 values are Jane Smith and the age is 30, inserting another item. After that packing the tree and starting the main loop so that the program never gets end until we click close button. So this was total code of today's video. Now let's run this code to check the output. So this is the output of Tkinter or today's code, which is the name, age, John Doe and his age is 25, Jane Smith is 30. So in this way we can create a table in Tkinter window using TTK method of Tkinter package. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries while creating a table using TTK or you have any doubts related to Python for beginners course, you can simply message me on Instagram or comment section below. Also, this is just an introduction to TTK of Tkinter package. You can explore about this package in depth by referring the documentation of Tkinter. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.